Hey everybody, X Joe 881X. This is the final result. I want to apologize in advance. I didn't after the video you just watched, if you watched it at all, basically part 2 is what you saw, but I just kind of got involved with life and other things, so I didn't really go back and show you the day of, the day after. So this is like 2 weeks later. So here is the end results of the steps. The blue stone is put on top. The blue stone, the pavers that match the sidewalk is on top. The sand is in between. All that nicey stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, like I told you. The railing was done another time by other people. And it wraps around. This is the end result of the dirt that next year will just get rectified. I have the sprinkler still on, so you kind of see like fuzziness. So that's that. This black stuff has to be like wiped down. There's this side. Same thing. I think they did a good job. It's 2 bricks each, and then the bottom one is a brick and a half. Everything is straight and works out. It's pumpkin season, so don't think there's anything to show you as far as the steps. And this is the walkway, which really didn't make any video, but here's the walkway. It comes out of the corner and it makes it a bend, and then at some point they stop the bend and they go straight. Then they make a bend there and they go to this corner. Toot of the angry horn. Same brick as the top. The border, you can tell that it gets dirty. It's like you gotta wash it. This is one of the old steps. This one and this one are original. You can see the different in thickness from that one to that one. They redid this, and they started and they went that way. The steps were demoed. Excuse me. And then as they were doing the steps, they laid this out, and then this was the very last day. So that was that. They got paid, and then I called a couple of people for the railings. And this is plastic railing with black aluminum. I thought that was different. Thought that was nice. I bought these from Amazon. There we go. You could get, there's a switch inside, just like these, where it's white LED or it's yellow. Alright, maybe that one is not charged, but they work. Each post has a drill 8 inches down. And then they put concrete. Then they put a bar. And then in the bar, I don't know if you could see it, probably not. In the bar is, and the thing is concrete. Sorry, excuse me. It's concrete in all 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It sets. It's pretty solid. I haven't really leaned into it. shouldn't have to lean into it, but you know, it's already dirty. Like, look. Like what? Every goddamn couple of days you gotta go out here with a wet cloth? The whole point is like so the kids don't go falling left and right when they come up here and they futz around. Whatever. So the steps and the walkway was one price. This was another price. Yeah, even like it's okay. Yep. So I don't know. There's really nothing. They made 245s. Everything sits okay. It's a couple of. This was filled with water. These things. Yeah. See, solid piece in there. So these leaked out a little bit, but over time they'll go away. Couple things, nothing crazy. Is a proud line right there, but whatever. But it's against the house. It's solid. It's waterproof. It's been hosed down a million times as they're working. So and nothing leaks into the house. But I don't know. I really like this look. I didn't like that look. Too white. So I like this look. So this is gonna all get done. I'll go down to the steps. This has to be filled. I'll show you the step view. So here's the sidewalk view. It is a little funny. The steps are level as from the house to the earth. And they come out level. But then when you come down, at least for me, it cresses, you know, and it goes down a little bit here, and that's the way the house is built. But the ground, I wonder if they kept it, what would have happened if they kept it like really high, but it wouldn't have matched the stairs. He says that if you got rid of this whole section and then did everything new, it would have been a different look. But that's it. So I'm gonna get what am I gonna get next year? Topsoil. I'm going to figure out a yard or two, however much. I'm going to have it delivered, dumped in the driveway. And I'm going to start right there. And I'm going to fill this where you don't see this concrete wall. Right there. I'm going to fill this. We'll see how much. I'm going to fill all that in there. See how much is left. Raise this bed maybe 1 or 2 inches. And then, go into here. I raked it all out. But fill that. That's crazy. Nothing else. That's it. I mean, hit like and subscribe. The link for the first 2 videos are going to be down below. If you haven't watched it and just watched this one, watch the other ones. So this is my 2024 project. They started the first week after September. They were here Thursday, Friday, and a Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, I called for the railings. The guy came the following Monday. So, once again, other than lifting up some dirt and letting it grow and turning on the sprinklers next year kind of thing, it'll fill in. It's filling in now, so it'll fill in later. But once again, thanks for watching this series on my front steps, the front walkway, the railings. Hit like, hit subscribe, and happy Halloweeny.